Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how I use Cricut to customize a baby onesie and a baby cup. To start the customization, I'm using the program Design Space. So I've typed my text, I've selected my font. Now I'm resizing and positioning the text on the screen. I'm searching for a crown image in the gallery to add to my design. After which, I'll group the text together, attach them, and weld it to the mat. I'm adding my vinyl to the mat. I'm using a squeegee to remove any air bubble that may occur. Now that I've selected Make It, then I've mirrored my design. Now I'm choosing my material, which is vinyl. Change the pressure to more. Then I'm just going to send it to the machine to be cut. Now it's cutting. I'm weeding the design now, so I'll just let you enjoy the rest of the video while I complete the customization process.